from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
An update on metal and weapons detection testing in Henrico County Public Schools. We'll tell you about it in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Monday, April 24th, 2023, and it's brought to you today by Henrico County.
And now for the news.
A crash yesterday afternoon on I-64 in Eastern Henrico left a 30-year-old Chester woman dead. The 2021 Jeep Wrangler that she was driving was headed east on the interstate, ran off the left side of the road, hitting several trees. It happened at about 1:40 p.m. Police are investigating. And police also investigating a shooting death of a man that took place on Saturday night. The man was taken to the hospital with gunshot wounds. He later died. Henrico and Richmond police later learned that the shooting had taken place in Northern Henrico County off Laburnum Avenue. They continued to investigate what led to the shooting. Henrico County Public Schools officials plan to continue testing weapons detectors rather than metal detectors. That's what officials told the county school board during a meeting on Thursday. The school system has been testing both options over a period of several months in 6 county schools. They analyzed data from surveys and focus groups afterwards, and those showed that weapons detectors were preferred. Weapons detection units allow for the screening of more people in a shorter period of time than do metal detectors. They also are designed to detect only weapons and not cell phones or other items that might set off a metal detector. Some school board members did express concerns about the findings that the district doesn't have enough employees in place to administer either detection system. One possibility for addressing that would be to pay stipends to the employees who are tasked with manning the detectors. School officials will continue working on the matter. They plan to update the school board sometime before June. And it's springtime, which means gardening is front and center for a number of folks. If you have someone in your life with a birthday or special occasion coming up, you may want to check out this week's edition of In the Garden on henricocitizen.com. It's got some ideas for gifts for the gardener in your life. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Henrico County. Henrico County is now hiring. You can visit henrico.us/jobs to view a complete list of all opportunities, full and part-time, that are currently available. To learn more about Henrico's commitment to its employees and the Henrico Way, and find out why employees like Henrico Police Logistics Asset Manager Kristen Gaines say, quote, "Henrico feels like my home. It really is my family. I can't imagine doing anything else." That's henrico.us/jobs.